So throughout the course of the season, I find myself in a lot of situations where I have to run across shallow flats, or more importantly, I'm looking at a long idle to get out of a shallow area. So what I like to do is I like to figure out exactly what the distance is from the water line of the boat to the bottom of the skeg, and that tells me how much water I actually need. But one thing that you need to take note of are our transducers are on the bottom of the boat. So you have to subtract that area from the water line to the bottom of the boat to figure out exactly what you need to be able to plane off. In the example of the Triton 206, I know that I need roughly 28 inches of water or so to plane off, but there's one little trick that I've learned that will help you plane off in a lot shallower water and also help you stay up on plane while you're running through the shallow water, and that's utilizing a combination of your trim tabs and your hydraulic jack plates. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that my jack plate is all the way up. I'm going to lower my trim tabs all the way down. Let those things settle out. They're down. And now I'm going to check what's in front of me. I'm going to turn the engine all the way to the left. And by doing this, it's going to cause the boat to roll as I accelerate.